Acer, the computer company, is building a fancy electric bike with built-in AI. Meet the Acer ebii, a lightweight electric bike built by computer component maker Acer. The company looks to be coming in hot with several innovative features that we have rarely seen in the e-bike industry. Sometimes it takes an outsider to flip a product on its handlebars, and that appears to be the case with the Acer ebii. This lightweight 35 pounds, 16 kilograms, e-bike features a number of gadgets and gizmos we have yet to spot in the industry, such as built-in AI designed to predictively control the transmission and make use of collision detection sensors for a safer ride. There's also proximity unlocking feature that the company says automatically locks your bike when you leave and unlocks it again when you're nearby. My Gogoro electric scooter has a similar function, though that's a highway-capable vehicle. Tracking capabilities are built into the ebii to help keep tabs on it 24/7. If the bike is ever stolen, it can be locked remotely and tracked using its built-in GPS locator. But don't think that you won't find typical bike parts here either, as the Acer ebii still features high-end components like a belt drive instead of a chain drive, 160mm hydraulic disc brakes, and 360-degree LED lighting. Airless tires are designed to remove the chance of flats, and a lefty-style fork does double duty as a conversation piece and a fancy weight saver. There's also a 460 Wh electric bicycle battery that is said to offer a range of up to 68 miles, 110 kilometers per charge. A top speed of 15 miles per hour, 25 kilometers per hour, and a 250W rear hub motor look to keep the bike within European and Asian power and speed limits. There's no hand throttle, which means riders will have to rely on pedal assist that is activated when the rider spins the pedals. It appears that there's some confusion about the 2.5-hour charger included with the bike, as some in the industry seem to think it can be used to charge phones and batteries as well. In fact, it's actually the e-bike's removable battery itself that can function as a portable power station to charge up your mobile devices. The Acer ebii has several optional accessories including fenders and a rear rack, though the extra stable white kickstand is included as standard equipment. There's no price listed yet, but the fancier components and innovative design are surely going to put the price tag farther north than the $1,500 to $2,500 direct-to-consumer e-bikes we generally see launched several times a week. There's also no word on exactly when the Acer ebii will begin production or deliveries, but at least you can see it in action in this launch video. Acer is one of the first electronics companies to get into e-bikes, but it's not the first to jump industries toward two-wheelers. We've recently seen many automakers look to get in on the action as e-bike sales creep closer to eclipsing car sales in some areas. Though, this was unexpected. The bike itself is an interesting take on a lightweight urban e-bike, but we'll have to see a price tag before knowing whether it's worth getting excited about. What is perhaps even more meaningful is simply the fact that a major electronics company is getting on board with e-bikes. Could this be a sign of things to come in the industry? How will it impact a crowded market that is already teeming with what many would consider to be too many options as it is? Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please, if you love our video, click the like button, give us a thumb up, subscribe, share and drop a comment on the video you like to see next.